Namyangju Water Garden was created in 2012. The water in the Bukhan River flooded as a part of the tour, creating a lake-like terrain. The site was so beautiful that it was named Water Garden. Namyangju Water Garden was created as a waterfront ecological park with a large area, which was created in 2012 to save the Han River. It was rumored to be magnificent landscape where you can meet the Cheonggyesan in the water and the mist rising from the North River. Walking trail along the bank of the Bukhan River are also good for walking or biking. The water garden consists of water trail, a Bukhangang bicycle path, a riverside walking path, a water trail, and water fragrance trail. Namyangju Water Garden created a large flower garden in September 2015, showing 24,000 square meters of flower poppy in the spring and sowing yellow cosmos in autumn. It was a landscape made of poppies and it was a riverside promenade. It is also called the flower poppy. In Korea, ornamental poppies with no drug components are called drug poppies. In the old days, the standard for dividing real and fake, useful and useless were clear. It looks similar, but when people named something different from the original, people prefixed it with a drug. The flowers of the poppy flower are comfort and oblivion.